Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to go through a quick review of dividing integers, and we're going to be working with both positive and negative integers. Let's jump into number 1, where we have minus 63 divided by minus 9. We have a negative um, divided by a negative. So we are working with the same signs. This means we are getting, oh my bad guys, we are getting a positive final answer because we are dividing the same signs. So I'm just gonna draw a little list for you guys just so you can understand better why it is positive or why it is negative. So when we do negative divided by negative, we get positive because we are using the same signs. When we do positive divided by positive, we also get positive. But when we do, let's say, negative divided by a positive number, we get a negative final answer. And also the other way around, it doesn't matter which way. If we have different signs dividing by each other, we get a negative final answer. So this will help us to our 4 examples we're going to do today to get the correct final answer. So for the first one, we have minus 63 divided by minus 9. This is two of the same signs. We are dividing a negative number by another negative number. This means we are getting a positive final answer. So minus 63 divided by minus 9 will be 7. Positive 7 of our final answer because we use the same signs. Now let's go over to the second example where we have 45 divided by minus 5. These are two different signs. We have two different signs, so we are going to get a negative result. So we have a positive divided by a negative, just like this one. A negative divided by a positive, or the other way around. It doesn't matter which way around. We will always get a negative answer if we are dividing or multiplying different signs. So 45 divided by minus 5 will equal minus 9 as our final result. So these were the two examples. I'm going to do two more for you guys. I'm going to make them up now, so I will be right back. So here we have two new examples where we are going to solve these together again. If you guys want to try these out on yourself, you can just pause the video and try them out on yourself, resume the video, and see if you have got the correct answer. So let's start with the first one, where we have minus 95 divided by minus 5. We have two negative numbers. We have minus 5 and minus 5 and minus, wait, all right, like this. My bad, guys. I am stuttering quite a bit. Oh my god. We have minus 95 divided by minus 5. These are two negative numbers. Negative times a negative will equal positive. So our final answer of the first example will be a positive number, which is 19. Because 19 times 5 equals 95. So now let's go over to our second example, where we have 120 divided by minus 6. Here we have two different signs. We have a positive number, positive, and a negative number, negative. If we divide these two, I accidentally did a times right here. If we divide these two, we get a negative number because we are dividing different signs. Just like here, negative divided by a positive number will equal a negative number. So 120 divided by minus 6 will equal a negative number. So our final answer will be minus 20. So Just a quick review again. We did 4 examples. We got 2 positive numbers and 2 negative numbers as our final result. So if we have the same sign, it will be positive, and if we have a different sign, it will be negative. So this was basically the video, guys, on how to divide integers working with positive and negative answers. I hope this gave you a quick refresher, or I hope you guys understand it now if you're just learning this recently. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you have any questions, and this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one.